This is the Mach17 gaming laptop. You got beautiful RGB keyboard, mechanical keyboard, super comfortable to type on. Beautiful 17-inch, super large display that is 144 Hz with full HD display, super crystal clear images. This unit have a ton of port, USB 3.0, SD card on the right hand side, microphone, headphone jack, 3.5mm, USB 2.0, Ethernet port. The back is full aluminum, feel really good to the touch, luxurious. Most of the ports are in the back, the power cord, USB-C, HDMI, and mini Thunderbolt. Those are all in the back, so you don't have cords sticking out on the side. The mechanical keyboard have really good travel. When you press down, it go all the way down and it snap back. It's have really good feedback and great travel. This is the best keyboard on any laptop I ever used. The display is beautiful with 144 Hz. Without 144 Hz, you can't call yourself a gamer right there. This unit comes with a 6-core i7, 6-core 12-thread. Base speed is 2.6 GHz. It can turbo up to 4 GHz when you're doing heavier tasks. Insane amount of RAM, 32 GB RAM, which means you can connect multiple monitors to it, doing multiple tasks and so on. This have a ton of SSD. This is 1 TB SSD on this one. There's another disk that is 500 gig SSD in there. So there's 2 SSD. They're both massive, so you can store anything you want in there. And it comes with an Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 graphic card, so you can game on it. This will play any game on the market right now and it will run it very well. And if you need to do video editing, music editing, any heavier tasks, that will do that as well. And the most important thing is it's large. It's 17-inch. It's a desktop replacement. It's built like a tank. So if you need something light and easy to carry, this is not it. This is for serious gamer. This packs some serious